Baby, look at Dad.
What's that you've got, Charlie?
What are you doing?
Bro. Look at Daddy.
That's brilliant. And what's the second one?
Leave it on.
Look at Daddy.
It's not munted like it was just a minute ago. Oi,
Oh, fridge.
Okay then.
quick, it's telling you to close it.
This is great.
Dad, cookies.
No, Daddy doesn't want one.
No, I don't want one. No, I don't want one. Oh God, you're a rare specimen.
Baby, close the fridge door, darling. Darling, close the fridge door, bub.
I don't hear by me.
It's alright. No need to thank me. Just glad to help. Where did it go? I used to really love my crane set.